Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You have the basics ready, now act. Start by confirming SSH auth and cloning the repo into a clean workspace. Once done, create a feature branch with a clear name so CI traces changes. Run the project's test suite and any build steps to reproduce the Tiny Task issue locally. This verifies environment parity and saves time. Make sure to capture the failing test or error output. You will reference it in commits and the pull request description to explain why you should now dive into the code. Start by adding focused logs or breakpoints to confirm the Tiny Task's behavior and identify the problematic function or edge case. Once located, implement the smallest readable fix that addresses the root cause. Include a unit test demonstrating the prior failure and the correct behavior. Then run the full test suite, linting, and build steps locally. If tests fail, roll back the last change, iterate, and refine until everything is green before preparing the push. You're close, finalize the change. Push your feature branch and open a pull request that explains the bug, the minimal fix, and links to failing tests. Ask for reviewers and respond to feedback promptly. Rebase or squash when asked to keep history tidy. Once CI runs, make sure all checks pass. If CI fails, inspect the build logs and reproduce the CI environment locally or via Docker to catch environment-specific issues. A key troubleshooting tip: check permissions, environment variables, and dependency versions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.